So you might have a consequentialist theory that says the degree of moral rightness of an act is determined by its consequences, namely, for example, the amount of bananas that it produces. It would be an odd moral theory, but it would be a consequentialist theory that says the degree of moral rightness of an act is determined by its consequences, in particular by its degree of banana. So that would be coordination, either a coordination among the parts of the soul or coordination across individuals in a society. A second kind of self-interest theory is what we might call a get-good-stuff theory. So this lies at the heart of some religious traditions. Here's what you get if you act in keeping with the constraints of morality. You get eternal life in a really nice place. Here's what you get if you don't act in keeping with the constraints of morality. You get eternal continuation in a really... argues in response to Glaucon, when you behave in keeping with the constraints of morality, there is harmony in your soul, and that provides you with the possibility of a certain kind of flourishing. Or you might have what's implicit in the very first argument that Glaucon gives, a view that morality provides a certain kind of stability in society. Each of us behaving in pro-social ways increases the likelihood of others around us behaving in pro-social ways. And so we reach a kind of equilibrium state whereby things run smoothly if everybody behaves pro-socially. And we'll talk about that again at the beginning of the political philosophy section. So one kind of self-interest...
D'être un black pour être un pas besoin de fumer Choukourou pour être un rasta. T'as pas besoin d'être un dread pour être un rasta. T'as pas besoin de fumer sa mal pour être un rasta. Ja, Rastafari, ton amour qui te met pas. Ja.
And we'll talk about that again at the beginning of the political process. So one kind of self-interest theory is a theory that appeals to a certain kind of coordination, either a coordination among the parts of the soul or coordination across individuals in a society. The second kind of self-interest theory is what we might call a get-good-stuff theory. So this lies at the heart of some religious traditions. Here's what you get if you act in keeping with the constraints of morality. You get eternal life in a really nice place. Here's what you get if you don't act in keeping with the constraints of morality. You get eternal continuation in a really unpleasant place. So the notion that there is some reward beyond earth for behaving in moral ways is an example of a self-interested justification of morality. Or one might give the sort of justification that Adamantus gives in response to